Look at this. We are above average for the next 5 days. And actually, speaking of the warmth, we're going to check in with Carl now on the record-setting March that we've seen this year. Carl.
Well, scientists at NOAA's National Climatic Data Center have now confirmed what many had suspected, that this past March was the warmest on record for the contiguous U.S., with the period of record extending back into the late 1800s. More than 15,000 records were broken in March, hundreds of which were all-time March records, and 21 of which, listen to this, broke the daytime record high temperature at night. The average temperature for the lower 48, that's all locations, day and night, topped the 20th century March average by nearly 9 degrees, and that is the second largest monthly departure from average on record, behind January of 2006. And there's been a lot of talk about how warm March of 1910 was, and it was, but NOAA says March 2012 was warmer, and the first 3 months of 2012 were the warmest on record. That also set the stage for tornadoes, including the outbreak of March 2nd and 3rd, which is estimated to have cost $1.5 billion, making it the first billion-dollar weather disaster of the year. That's after a record $14 billion disasters last year. The preliminary count of 223 tornadoes for this past March is nearly 3 times the March average. Now, it should be noted that while you can get an earlier start to severe season in a warming world, we don't know that there's anything more than that. We know that warming amplifies the water cycle, which increases the odds of flooding and drought, but tornadoes are a much trickier question because there are varied ingredients that actually may lessen or weaken as temperatures warm.